Some would to the Democrat and the Bray, my Hokwan, and Mede Bro. Yes, shots here, the final Democrat say 1D, 1F, President Commissions Phase 2 of Sinotrax Assembly Plant, and who the final Democrat and Margins Group KGL donate 1.4 million to MOBA 83. Anna, any man will say, Adia Yapa, na mekan wasimano pay, or say 1,668 killed in road crashes between January and September 2023. Inti Udofuma Otia say how painful some of these avoidable situations na ya ACC a hard year. 31 suspected commercial sex workers, human traffickers arrested in Western region. Where they were in the union na me kakras easily gon kwade say 13 14 for abeshim. Ko Western region pose for to almost sa set to no ebekwa akosisen. The publisher the Democrat, the new publisher say Duncan Williams is to Danaba quit National Cathedral job over unedited public funds. And once them a year the Democrat, the new publisher. The Ghanaian Times say limited voter registration exercise. EC captures 910,996 voters, exceeds 700,000 target by 200,000. And any man so we are in Funyine down see Ghana man paying His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Trade Minister, Nimnyam for Katie Hammond, and after China, one is an enemy a sign track for no, only see an Oba Bakoha, no, so all chairman paying was President inaugurates second phase Sinotrack assembly plant at Katamanso, and also wants some Elham say. And a young person suffering from mental health in Ghana, alarming. Dr. Penyipa Ekremet Naka say, the Ghana, Mebunu Duana, na Marjorie. In Sissi, a hard drink. The Ghanaian publisher say, Ghana's balance sheet looking good. Controller Kasa. Sika someone to end the office, baby, and none of the outings, the Kakaka, Akokobenusu, a conenemy pa. EC registers 910,996 new voters. And what's some say, and once guarantor system abolished. O kona control dia, unzane is you for dancing for Brahms, you, and Chebia easy for no, or show Mocasenum dia, and Chebiano, almost just I in Gracie free honum. Obernim House also Doma East MP calls for calm ahead of MPP presidential primary, and also Wasem. Our daily guide, Yedibi Pejemu. Any Makaka say guarantor abusers will be jailed. One would dear dance him amount for church or Mudia and Yanakwan, soon as any power one at dinner. Sabi on your gun and now same fantasy over tune. Now I call out with dear dance and minim of a quachi minim the pa. Oh, Piero, minim the pa. One is a Piero, you know. Nima be break to see in Kratana or feel like could dear dance some and papa. There's no could them soon in pa. Electoral Commission for say, ha, NJBR. Don't do one if you say, sura. Mokako go home. Nana opens new Sinotrack plant and I can't want some that. And I've here of paying pa Duncan Williams and Eastwood Anaba. I saw from paying for me anyway. Cathedral and board normative normal or much everyone. Any man so I say, can a special prosecutor also accuse you any special prosecutor of public deception? And what's some about daily guide the Democrat. You see, I'm saying, but I said the Bekono about online an interesting one. Not every leader is a thief. And you can dephobia and aircraft for. Mokasadodo. Mumompaema or mine. This is the president of Kasache Christian Council. Debbie. Not every leader is a thief. Pray for the nation. Akufo-Addo to Christian Council. Afroba local news are missing excavators. Setmante finally breaks silence. And also one them say, Speaker Bagman leads delegation to commensurate with E.T. Mensah's family. Anna Kesipa Deniman so say 1D 1F Akufo-Addo commissions Sinotrax phase 2 assembly plan beginning say Maka and once a match show and then Mape flood you know Adom brands and so yetimia are mobilizing your kakra multimedia group in the Adom brands you know are mobilizing your kakra any no so mo and wakoka adwam no e dey koso na say it's not enough but it's a say now also I will share now with you say oh yeah aban any there member of parliament any there so na also your there now the boy ku this is the time to show love in himself via refer to an amount power almost boy but it's time to still show love. Ghana Police Service cannot be anything to me cannot do anything to me COP Alex, ono so guso a okasa no. Ono so guso ono so kasa. Adom praise. Yebehim. Me sha sia no na make October 29. Ene ampaya onyame honkonko be fa hina akọ because asa ekodi ni asira de komo nyame no. Kwa aku ahodo bebre na aka si ani a omde sa eye Adom praise bro. 70 Ghana cedi. E sha sia no na pepepe. Na bibia na me kwa so na red carpet ni e ball kwa afọ nyum kama wa main auditorium na anyum no sisi so na bibia ekọ kama e de ma on. Maternity paternity bill presented to parliament and also wasem e wo hanim say na afi dia kan atitirufo onyamensa wo mo so kese wo man Ghana mu asofo mpanyimfo a na mo ka cathedral board no ho no eni dem de krata ba mampanyin said Duncan Williams is to Anaba resigned from National Cathedral Board and who wasem anomo so and online so dia bro me dey see am say makacho say me koso da wase say wo jibril na wo hwe bedwem on Adom TV multi TV so osofo chief Mighty Chapel nyame adoma who host one of our best sound guys no the wedding this Saturday and Sunday osofo chief many minister Ampedu sister Sandy be a guy ye PRO wofa kwache do don asanom evangelist kwache ebeba abetai osmosis echi ebra osofo chief wankase wa ma ho kwan na nyame so ma ho kwan se yen ka ne ho kani embom ewo wasori Mighty Chapel mu ti eba betai wachi ka bibia akokama ye ko Professor Ike Wallace right crowd or the Abukensi Winsem ebro